Hello everyone, in this lesson we will focus on helping beginner level students to introduce themselves and others in Mandarin Chinese. One of the fundamental ways to introduce someone is to use the verb jiao, which means called or to call. Here, subject can be a noun or pronoun, and name refers to the name of the person being introduced. Okay, let's see some examples. The first one, 我叫卡洛斯，我叫卡洛斯。My name is Carlos. 她叫安妮，她叫安妮。Her name is Anne. 我们叫她小明，我们叫她小明。We call him 小明。Okay, so let's do some practice. Practice 1. Use the above examples to translate the following into Chinese. How to say these sentences in Chinese? Practice 2. Construct 3 sentences. Use the structure to introduce yourself and to other people. Practice 3. Introduce the following people in Chinese. Use this structure. Okay, that's all for today's lesson, and congratulations on completing this lesson on introducing oneself and others in Mandarin Chinese. See you in the next lesson. 再见。